Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well. Today I'm doing an update on my project pan for 2022, and I'm also going to update you guys on my Pan That Palette challenge. I just include it in this one video instead of doing two separate videos and boring you guys to death. So I'm going to do updates on both. You guys missed my introduction video for both of these challenges, Pan That Palette challenge, all that good stuff. I will put links to those videos down below in the description box, so definitely check that out. If you're wondering about my makeup today, I did film a full face of Flower Beauty. So if you missed that video, if it's already up, I will link that below as well. Go check it out if you want to know how I did this look. I did film a tutorial. All right, I'm really excited to show you guys my progress. So let's start with my project pan for 2022. I am doing a rolling project pan. I picked 6 items this year to make it a little bit easier, not so overwhelming. So as I finish a product, I'm going to roll in another one and start trying to use that up or pan it. So let's just get started. I'm super excited. So let me show you the pencils first. So with my lip liner, this one's from Beauties Cosmetics in the shade Earth, and I'm going to show you guys my progress. Oh my gosh, I've been doing really good actually. I'm pretty proud of myself so far. So January 1st is when I measured the pencil, and I already lined off where I am right now, and I'm filming this on February 8th, but who knows when this is actually going to go up on my channel. So definitely a lip liner, you know, you have to sharpen it. It's a regular pencil liner. So I'm really hoping I can get almost completely done next month. I feel like I did pretty good. I mean, that's a good chunk right there that I've used up so far. So I'm doing pretty good with the liner. So the other pencil product that I am kind of like measuring on a paper, this is the Flower Beauty Vinyl Eyes Glossy Gel Eyeliner in Bronzed Out, and there's not much left, you guys. There is just a very very tiny bit left. I feel like I've used a nice, nice little chunk so far. So yeah, I feel like by my next update, I'm hoping to finish this and that lip liner. All right, next up we have the e.l.f. High Definition Under Eye Setting Powder. I've been really trying to use this, but it's hard because I have been testing out so many new things recently. So I already made a line, but I need to make a new one. So let me just get it all leveled out here. Let me go ahead and mark it off real quick. But I really am hoping, I used a little bit. I mean, a little bit of this goes a long way. So hopefully you can see there's a little gap there with the top line, and then the line below it is where I'm at right now. So not much left of this powder. And again, this is a product that I think e.l.f. has discontinued. So once it's gone, it's gone. So I'm not doing too good on this one. I keep forgetting to use it. That's what it is. I'm so used to using my other powders that I forget to use this one. So I am going to focus more on this powder, and I feel like if I use it like all over more heavily, I can use it up a little bit faster. All right, next we have a cream blush. This is from Lauren Conrad Beauty. I don't even know if this brand exists anymore, you guys. I checked her website, I should say, and I don't know. It's like everything's gone. Like the website is down, and it says something new is coming in 2022, but it's already February, and I'm not sure. So I'm kind of sad because I actually really enjoyed her makeup line. I feel like she had a really great, solid products that I have already fallen in love with. So I'm actually really sad. So this is her lip and cheek tint in Peony. I absolutely love this product. And it's really, this is one that's really hard to tell the difference. So hopefully I can, compare different slides to show you guys what it looks like. Again, this one's kind of hard to see progress, but I've been using this like every day, like on my lips. It's a wash of color. You can use it on your cheeks. It's just a fantastic blush. I really like it. So the highlighter I have here is the Mary Luminizer, my old faithful, good old Mary Lou from the Balm Cosmetics. This one is going to be very challenging. I think out of the 6 products I have, I don't know if I'll actually be able to use it completely, but I do see a little bit more pan. I've been trying really hard to use this as an inner corner highlight, as a highlighter on my face, as an eyeshadow, and it's so pigmented. A little bit goes such a long way. So there's my progress with that. Not a huge progress. This one's going to be really, really challenging, I think, to finish completely. And my final product in my project pan this year is the e.l.f. Cosmetics Lip Plumping Gloss in the shade Pink Cosmo. I already marked it off. So here's where I started, and that is where I am right now. Yay! So I used up quite a bit. I've been trying to apply this as often as possible. I have to say, I think once I've finished this, I'm done. I don't think I'm going to repurchase this. I actually, using this every day. I like the scent and I like the color, but I'm just not crazy about this formula like I used to be back in the day. I find it to be too thick, too sticky. Like as it wears off throughout the day, it gets stickier and stickier. So it's just not my favorite formula. I don't know. Sometimes our preferences and makeup change. So I'll be definitely very happy to finish this product up completely. I don't think I'll finish it in another month, maybe 2 more months from now, just because I don't enjoy wearing it, but I really do want to finish it. So once it's gone, it's gone. See, that's why sometimes it's nice to try products again in a project pan. You really get to know a product and know if you like it still, or maybe you don't like it. It happens. So that's it with my 6 products, you guys. I feel like I'm doing really good. I mean, this has only been 1 month so far, so I feel like I'm doing pretty good considering I've been testing out like a lot of new makeup here, and I tried to prioritize and use things so I'm not like too overwhelmed, but it is challenging to just stick with the same products over and over again when you're constantly reviewing new products as well. So I am doing my best, and I think I did pretty good for just the first month. All right, let's move on to my Pan That palette for 2022. I picked the Subculture palette from ABH Cosmetics. Here's what she looks like. I definitely have been trying to use this as often as possible, and I definitely have been kind of slacking. A little bit. I think this is going to be challenging to hit pan on some of the darker shades for sure. So here's what my palette looks like. So again, I definitely have a little dip in Adorn, New Wave, Edge. I'm really trying to work on All Star. There's a little tiny dip in there. I really need to focus on the green shades because those I haven't been reaching for a lot. I've been really reaching for Dawn and Roxy because they're just really easy everyday mattes. I know a lot of you really liked the idea of me doing a 3 looks 1 palette or doing tutorials with that, so that's definitely on my list of videos to film. It'll be coming, you guys. I have really sensitive skin if you guys are new here, and if you're not new here, you know. I cannot apply an eyeshadow look, take it off with eye makeup remover, and then do a whole nother look. My skin gets so red and irritated, and I can't do 3 looks in 1 day. It's just not possible. I will try to do that video as soon as I can. Just please be patient with me because I do have super sensitive skin. So it takes a lot longer to film those tutorials and then put it all together in one video and edit. Yay. But I think I'm doing okay. Not the best progress with my Pan That palette versus my other products. I think definitely eyeshadows I'm noticing are definitely really hard to pan. I think this is the first time I have done a Pan That palette in the past, but kind of like trying this again, it's definitely really challenging. So I will start posting looks. I might even start posting looks on TikTok just to kind of, get the palette out and do a look. So if you're not following me on TikTok and Instagram, I usually post my TikToks and share them on Instagram as well. So if you're not following me on TikTok, you can follow me on Instagram or both. So yeah, I think that's what I need to do, is just try to do like even little tutorials, like if I can, like once or twice a week, try to do it that way. Maybe that would be a little bit easier for me to try to film. So that's everything, you guys. That's my quick little update on my Pan That palette and my project pan for 2022. How are you guys doing on your project pan this year? Tell me in the comments. I want to know. I'm really curious. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I do have a Pan That like project pan playlist. I will link that in the description box, so make sure to check that out. And stay tuned. I will be doing, I would love to do like a get ready with me using these products, playing more, doing looks. You guys have been wanting to see that, so I definitely need to do that. And that's everything. Make sure to subscribe if you are new here. I post on Tuesdays and Fridays every week talking about cruelty-free beauty. And you can also find me on TikTok, Instagram. All my links are always down below. I hope you guys have a fabulous day, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.